Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X9, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you will want to grab your SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which will be located at the bottom of the device. As you can see right here, you want to use the area that is close to the edge of the device, part of this cutout, and push the pen in. And when you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, so you can place one on each side. Now I do also want to warn you, if you're planning to utilize this, we have two spaces for physical SIM card, but you can also use an eSIM. If you're going to be using an eSIM, the bottom tray, SIM 2, becomes unavailable. So you can use one physical card on the spot SIM tray 1 and one eSIM, and this becomes then unavailable, or you can use two physical cards. Or if you're not using an eSIM, you can occupy the bottom with a SIM card and keep the top empty. But just know that if ever you would be using eSIM, the second tray just becomes deactivated. So anyway, let's grab our card, clip it in place. There are a little bit of retention brackets here to hold this card, so if you flip it upside down, this card shouldn't be falling out. If it is, then it wasn't in correctly all the way. Anyway, from there, just insert it back into your device, and the card, there we go, should start working right away. So this unlocks my SIM card. Holy hell, that is a god-awful wallpaper. Jeez, the wallpaper carousel just absolutely sucks ass. Anyway, so once you confirm your PIN for your SIM card, it will automatically start working. And that's it. You don't need to do anything extra. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.